What's up guys, welcome back. Today I have a DIY project for you guys. I'm gonna be turning this window, basement window behind me right here, into this. That window. So yeah, gonna change the old windows. These are 30 years old, two of them. And gonna put brand new ones. So let's see the process and how we're gonna do it. Just for reference, look at the wood, how rotten it is. You see, that's wood. Dry that wood. The screen will come out very easy. So I'm gonna put new wood, a new window, frame it up, one right here and one right here. See this? That's just wood that comes out with my hand. I'm gonna put nice new ones. So let's start. Okay, let's put on some gloves. Demo time. Okay, so the plan is to go all the way to the brick, and here actually I have a metal plate, if you can see that, holding the top. It's like a linoleum. So I'm gonna go to the brick and down to the brick, to the bare bones, and see how that goes. It's still good wood all the way inside, but yeah, a little bit weak, still rotten. Okay. Here it is. Wow, look at the insects. Look at these eggs. Right here, look at these eggs. Or like shells, old. They're basically fossils now. All the worms, termites, everything can you ever imagine. Yeah, they were living here. They were living here. Okay, so here's an opening. Now it's all clear. Let's measure and put our clean up, and then put our new wood. They used metal nails to put in the wood into the wall. We'll fasten it. Yeah, my only choice is really to break them. Okay, so here is it, all cleaned up. I'm gonna probably leave this ledge here, which is good. It's all straight and nice here. And look at my beam, actually. See the beam? I don't like how this beam is under the metal. You can see it from outside. There's 2 inches under. So we'll see if the window's gonna really open or get stuck here. So yeah, this is how it looks from the inside, or how it used to look. This is the second one. Okay. And it just open. I had it taped from the winter. That's how it opens. From the bottom up. The new one actually opens the opposite way, from the top to bottom. Okay. So our opening is 15 inches exactly, and the window I got is actually for 14. The exact size is 13 3/4, which is a 2x6 here, a 2x6 there, so 1x6 and a 2x6 on the sides, and try to fit the window. So let's see how that looks. Obviously my window don't fit, and that's because there's these extra flanges. They'll have to be cut. So that's what the instruction says. You have to cut them with a razor in order to reduce this extra for new construction. So that's easier than I thought. You just cut it with a razor a little bit and then just fold it down. You see how it snaps? Just like that. 2 more to go. So now it's roughed in. See, I got a gap here. So I'm gonna put a 2x6, and top, or the bottom actually, I'm gonna put a 1x6. Here another 2x6. I'm gonna bolt it into the bricks. So let's do that. Okay, so I measured the 3 feet exactly, and I'm just gonna cut it. Obviously it's gonna fall here. Okay, I think we're good. All right, let's see if it fits.
Yay!
Yay! Perfect. I have to cut it a little bit.
Do it. Run. Ready.
It's tight.
No.
Okay, after a long work, got this in, got 2 pieces in, screwed them into the wall, and fastened the window to the wood. That's it. Now I have a 1/4 inch gap all around, ready for the foam. Let me do the second one first, and then we'll do the foam all together. Okay, on to the second one. Look at the rot, way worse here. This was 1 piece of wood. Look how many pieces now. Wow. My bag, I gotta take a break, but it's all cleaned up. Look at this. I even cleaned up the sidewalk joint because I'm gonna foam that and then put some special sealant on it too. Window's all clean, ready. Let's bring the window. Beautiful day. It's November 17. Windy, but it's not cold. Really nice. It's fall. So I'm taking advantage of this day and doing all this work because it's nice. Tomorrow's gonna be cold. See the annoying helicopter over there? The annoying helicopter. Maybe there's a protest or something. Okay, it's getting dark. It took so long. I had to make something for the fiber cable from the internet. Notch that there. Shim it up here. And we still have a hole, so need to foam it up. Let's foam it up. Door. Great stuff.
Man and a man.
Alright, let's see.
What shall we ask for? Yes, Dada.
Here we go. Foam is all done. I even did this. Looks nice. Yep, extra, it's okay. Kids are playing inside. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow, I'll wait till tomorrow, do it dry, I'll cut it, make it nice, I'll frame it with this trim piece, and that's it. That's a wrap for today. See you tomorrow. Good morning, here's the next day, windy and cold. That's why I wanted to finish this yesterday, but never mind, it's okay. It took longer, and here's how it's looking. Yeah, we got foam all expanded and ready. So let's cut it, make it ready for trim. Here's my assistants. Hi, Sawaha. Okay, foam is clean. Caulk on the side. All nice. Here's the second area. Okay, let's cut some trim wood. Here's my setup. I hope you guys can hear me. There's a lot of noises, and wind. So I'm just gonna cut some pieces. Right here, we need 34. Nope, I need 3 feet. This is PVC, it's not wood. Oh, it's plastic. Even better, it will never rot. Okay? It makes a mess, but it's plastic. I need to fix my saw. It looks like wood, but it's not wood, it's just PVC. Okay. Let me show you my innovations. So here, where there's a hole in the window where the water is supposed to go through, if water goes into the net or around, it'll seep there, come out. So I made a small notch for it. So now when I put this like that, there is a way under to get to the hole. You see that? That's where the water is gonna come through. And on this side too. Yep. I'm thinking about everything. Small details. I just like to do that. I'm spending hours here instead of doing it fast, but I like the details, so it's fun for me. This is fun for me. That's it. All done. Nice and neat. Next, I'm gonna put back the metal security gate and do some crack filling here. Gate here and the gate there. I just gotta fix them. So, but breakfast break. So, already waterproof. Nothing will ever happen to this. So, yeah, sealed in for justice. And here is the finished project from inside. Wood all the way to the wall. I'm not gonna trim it here. Maybe just paint the wood, and that's it. And here I already have a ledge, so it's good. Very easy and simple. Nice. Okay, last one to go. Let's see. Put the bits in. Lighten up, lift it, screw it. Second one, I'll show you in 1 minute. And neat, brand new windows for the basement. That's one, and that's two. Basement windows, brand new. That's a wrap. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys like the DIY project, and I'll see you in the next project. Subscribe for more. See you.